Hello, sweet friends. Welcome to Carol's Craft Cottage. Today's video is featuring Scrapdiva design dies. It's the February 1st release for the dies of February. I am super excited to share them with you as we have a lot of fantastic dies in this release. I will have affiliate links in the description box below to make it easy for you to shop. Thank you all for using my affiliate links. They help me and my channel, and I appreciate it so much. Don't forget, you can also use Carol 10 at checkout for 10% off your order. Before I share the dies and some examples with you, let me say, if you are new or this is your first time here, my videos feature lots of paper crafting ideas and tutorials. If this is something you enjoy, won't you consider subscribing? I'd love to have you back. And for all my returning friends and subscribers, welcome back. You mean the world to me, and I appreciate your support and comments. So let me go ahead and start sharing the dies with you. The first one is called a Fringe Butterfly Small. There are 7 pieces in that, and it makes this super cute butterfly. I do have a tutorial coming up that will show you how to put this together. It's similar to the Fringed Heart die. We have butterflies this month, and spring is coming, and butterflies are perfect. The next one we have, excuse me, is the Fringe Butterfly Large. This is also a 7-piece set, and it makes this butterfly this size. So you can see it's a good size. This is, you could put 2 on a greeting card and a sentiment, and that would be gorgeous. I love that die. So again, I do have a project video with a tutorial coming up on that one. The next one is the Loaded Pocket Small, and I cannot say enough how much I love this die. So this one has 13 pieces, and this is one of my samples. And as you can see, it's a little loaded pocket, and it comes with the words Happy Mail with the little shadow behind it. It's adorable. And I have another example here. You get 2 different dies for the background. You get the pocket die and you get the background. And I use this one here. This is the ones you see here. And then you get a doily. And I also say on the video coming up with this project, I will have the nautical paper ready to email whoever wants it. All right. So this one was a 13-piece set. Next is this super cute die. It's a coin purse, and it has 11 pieces, and it does have the words money and cash. I do have a little example for you. I will have a tutorial for this on my channel, and you can see how cute this came out. I love it. And I made mine to open up, and it will hold a gift card. And I used a Scrapdiva design die to make that little slit in there to put my card. You do get these little coins, and I just put this here as it will be like a card to give to somebody with a gift card in it. Isn't that cute? This is a really sweet die. This would go really good with your jelly bags that you have. Okay, and again, this one is 11-piece set. Next one I have here, it is called the Tumbler mini album. This is a 15-piece set. And I have an example for you right here. I will have a tutorial for you for this little mini album. And I just pulled out some goodies out of here. So I will share with you this little project really quickly. I made mine with the binding on the top. Like I said, I will have a video on how I put this together. And you get the word crafty girl with your little tumbler. So I'm thinking this is something to send to your crafty friends in Happy Mail and swaps and birthday presents and things like that, so I made it that way. So when I open it up, I have little pockets, and these are the pockets that come with the small loaded pocket, and they fit perfectly as pockets in this mini album. So I put little embellishments in here. There's the fringed heart. That's the fringed butterfly. There's a couple bows in here, and then I had some sequins in here. So I will have a tutorial for this for you, and it does stand up for display, which is awesome. Let me see if I can put it in here. It will stand up. See? How cute is that? I'll have some more projects with that as well. I love this little mini album. So that has 15 pieces. Next, we have a stamp that will correspond with that Tumbler mini album, and you get the word "Talk Crafty to Me." This might be wine. Yeah, this might be wine. Mom, sippy cup. Hold on, let me overthink this. I run on caffeine and design paper, and girls just want to have fun. So you can use this to stamp your sentiments in there. The next one I have is Conversation Hearts. This is a 12-piece set, and it has Love You, Let It Shine, Too Cute, Best Friends, Best Friend, and I can't see the other one. It's something like Too Sweet, I think it says. Let me see. Stay Sweet. This one says Stay Sweet. All right. I haven't made any examples of that yet, but we'll get to that. Next, we have this fun die. I know you can't see much of what it is right now, but I will tell you this is a gift card box. And this opens up so that your gift card pops up. So this is going to be fun to put together. This is a 22-piece set. We have that. And then we have this one, which is a addition to your Gumball machine. So anybody that has the Gumball die, this is a little bear that goes with it. And I can't wait to play with this because I absolutely adore bears. I have loved bears forever, and I collect them. And I can't wait to play with that. That's really sweet. Next, we have this fun die. This is called a round gift box. This is a 6-piece set. And I have not had a chance to play with this one yet, but this will be coming up on my channel in February. Then we have this Fox mini album. And this is adorable. And I already made some paper to use this die with really super cute fox. So I'll be sharing that with you as well. And last but not least, we have this die right here, which is called, let me see, I want to get it right. It's a box making strips. It's a 4-piece set. So you get 2 of these shorter ones, and then the other ones are longer. And these will help to make like your, like this into a box. Or if you got the Heart mini album, it would help you to make that into a box. So this is a nice addition to your stash for that. So I'd like to thank you all for joining me today. I appreciate it so much. I'll be having lots of exciting videos for the month of February, and I invite you to join me as I share my creations with Scrapdiva Design dies. Thank you again, and remember to sprinkle kindness like confetti wherever you go. And until the next video, happy crafting. Bye-bye.